Hey everyone, hope all of you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel, and to those who've just tuned in for the very first time, hi, my name is Deepa, and today I have something very special to review. I have with me L'Occitane's Immortelle Reset Serum, which is again like a very famous serum across the world. So today I'll tell you my thoughts about it, so stay tuned. So first and foremost, let's talk about the price. This serum is the most expensive skincare product that I've ever splurged on. I believe this is more expensive than all of my other skincare products combined together. Yeah, that's correct. Now, having said that, this retails for 4,700 rupees for a 30 ml product, and this is what it looks like. It's an absolutely gorgeous bottle, as you can already see, and on a closer look you'll be able to see that this has like a lot of immortelle flower floating, and that's what makes this product so special. And if you are ordering something from their website, there is a voucher that basically gives you 250 rupees off. So I had purchased this when there was another offer going on, so I had received like a smaller, like a very small perfume bottle along with this, and that perfume is also like a dream. So this flower, I believe, takes somewhere around more than 730 days before it goes into these products. So you can imagine that they harvested for more than 2 years just to bring it to us in a bottle. Now, this was my first ever purchase from L'Occitane, and if you have watched any of my previous videos, you know that I always buy like a trial kit or like a smaller bottle first, but I don't know why I went ahead with a 30 ml purchase, and that too an expensive product for the very first time. But I completely fell in love with this brand. There are a lot of other things about this brand which I came to know a little later. This brand has thought about protecting the environment since a very long time, and there's one fact that I got to know a little later is that they have never ever used plastic bags for giving out their products to their customers. So, like, how many brands can actually boast about that? Secondly, all their products have braille engraved on them, so I'm not sure if you can see it because it's all printed, but if you touch it you will feel that there's something here. The same stands true for the box that this product came in. So isn't that absolutely wonderful? One more thing about the entire experience from L'Occitane was because I purchased this directly from their website, so they give you the options to choose the samples of which products you would like to try. So that was absolutely amazing. The only reason why I was a little reluctant to try out this product earlier was that this one is an oil in serum. So my skin is super crazy with melia. I get melia extremely frequently, so I have to be absolutely sure, or I have to be extremely careful with the products that I use. But then frankly, I've never had any issues like that with this. I am absolutely in love with the serum, and I have used Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Repair. So I was thinking that we'll also be doing a video on the differences between these two products, because these two are cult favorites, especially this one. But frankly, I've never loved a skincare product more than this serum that I have in my hands right now. Everything about this serum is pretty luxurious, like starting from the bottle. Not just the bottle, the way it looks, the colors that they have used to manufacture the bottle. Now, it smells heavenly, and when I say that, it does not mean that it is heavily laden with fragrance. It is not. It is a very mild fragrance that it has, and I am pretty certain that the fragrance, or that heavenly fragrance, has a lot to do with the flower that the serum has. It feels amazing on your skin. It is extremely light. Although it is an oil in serum, but then it gets absorbed in your skin pretty instantly, and you're just left with that very good feeling because it smells amazing. You don't feel like there's anything on your face. Let's discuss what this product actually claims and if those claims are actually true. So this product claims that it helps with smoothing the fine lines, and it gives you a youthful radiance. You can start seeing visible results after a single application. It's absolutely true that you do see a difference after the very first application, and your skin just feels extremely rested and slightly younger than the skin that you went to bed in, if that makes sense. I have not been able to bring myself to try out constantly for like 28 days or so, because this is extremely expensive, and I do want to use this for some time before it's time for me to buy another bottle. But what I've been doing lately is that I use it every alternate day along with Dr. Sheth's retinol. So this product is not acidic in nature, so it goes well if you incorporate any other acid in your skincare regimen. Frankly, like, there are no issues with that at all. I mean, there is not even a tingling sensation that I feel if I use these two products together, so that is another plus. So if I talk about the glow, I do not see the glow, but your skin starts to look extremely healthy, and yes, it definitely looks younger after every single application. So I say this serum is basically like a dream, and if it is possible for you, you can definitely give it a try. This does everything that it claims. So maybe if you're using it every single night, you also get the glow, but since I'm not doing that, I'm using it alternate day at best, and that too, I've not been very consistent with that. But like I said like a million times before, I am in absolute love with this product. And I know that a lot of people say that the fragrance causes irritation, but it's not necessary that you will get irritation for sure if there is fragrance in the product. Secondly, I follow Dr. Shireen Idris. What she says is that people whose skin is prone to irritation, they should avoid products with fragrance altogether. But if that's not the case, you can give it a try, and in case the irritation starts appearing, that's the time when you stop. But like I said, since this is made of immortelle flowers, so I'm pretty sure that the fragrance is because of the flowers. So yes, if I have to rate this product on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give this a 9.5, because frankly I have never been more happier with any other product. Nothing has quite impressed me like this. So that's all for now, and like I said, that I'll do like a comparison video for the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair and the L'Occitane Immortelle Reset soon. So thank you so much for taking out time, and we shall meet again soon. Bye bye.